When you hear a pilot say stand by, it isn't actually as polite as you think. There is actually aviation code for I'm busy, wait your turn. ATC dialogue is a language of precision, but there's a lot of words behind it. When a pilot says unable, there is the aviation version of a hard no. And there is no case for not complying, because it is absolutely not negotiable. And then say intentions is basically ATC saying that you've confused us, where is your next move? Stand by means I have heard you, but I can't deal with you yet. It is not exactly a brush off, but it can come off as quite like one. And if you ever heard of Wilco, it means I will comply, short, sharp, and clear. So every word in the cockpit is actually calculated, because in aviation, clarity saves lives. So next time you hear unable, it's not rude, it's actually very responsible. So follow for more great aviation content.